Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to paint some cherries which I've drawn earlier, and I hope you will like it. It's very simple, very easy. I'm also doing it for the very first time, and as you all know that I have not learned art from anywhere. I'm a self-taught artist, a housewife, mother, and whenever I get frustrated or whenever I get upset, I used to paint. This is my all-time therapy. I know some people may not like my art and it's immature, but this is the only thing which makes me happy, relieved, and I feel so good after painting and drawing. Literally, if any one of you who is just depressed or something, and you're like you have nothing to do, just try the art therapy. It makes you feel very good. It just keeps your brain calm and happy. So for this painting I'm using watercolors, and they're very easy to do, and just by the passage of time, with the practice, you can learn and you can experiment new things. And first I'm going to make the leaves, and I have applied some lighter tones first, and then a bit darker shades on the edges where I want to give the depth. And now I'm moving towards the branches. I've used brown color, shades of brown, and for the leaves I used olive greens and mixed shades of mustard, olives and greens, a bit darker green. And you can see that now the leaves are going to give a good and bright look. And now moving towards the cherries. First I'm going to make the base of the cherries, and just a plain red color I'm going to apply all over the cherries. When you're using watercolors, it's important to go from lighter to darker. First you have to use the lighter shades and then give the darker tones where they are needed. So in that way you can give the depth and you can give the dimension to your drawings. I hope you will like my videos later on, and I need your support and help. Now I have added a darker shade of red, that's a bit maroon, and applied on the sides of the cherries. And the painting is almost complete now. You can see I have given some white tones in the center to give it a depth. I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and comment. Thank you.